Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about BrioDirect, a relatively new bank that's been making a lot of waves lately. I'm going to be answering the question, does BrioDirect have a debit card? But before I get into that, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to make a purchase, but you didn't have cash on hand? Or maybe you were traveling and you didn't want to carry around a bunch of cash. If so, then you know the importance of having a debit card. Debit cards are a convenient and safe way to make payments. They're also a great way to keep track of your spending. So, if you're looking for a new bank that offers a debit card, you might want to consider BrioDirect. BrioDirect. BrioDirect is a digital bank that offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. They also offer a debit card. Pros. There are a number of advantages to using a BrioDirect debit card. One advantage is that they offer a variety of cash back rewards. For example, you can get cash back on groceries, gas, and dining. Another advantage is that BrioDirect offers a number of security features. For example, they offer fraud protection and real-time alerts. Cons. There are also a few disadvantages to using a BrioDirect debit card. One disadvantage is that they don't have as many ATMs as some other banks. Another disadvantage is that they don't offer as many international features as some other banks. Overall, BrioDirect is a good option for people who are looking for a convenient and safe way to make payments. They offer a variety of cash-back rewards and security features. However, they don't have as many ATMs or international features as some other banks. If you're interested in learning more about BrioDirect, I encourage you to visit their website or check out my other videos about BrioDirect. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos about personal finance.